Look, guys, it's some birds stuck in my windows, and they don't know how to get out. I'm trying to direct them out, but they don't know how to get out. They really don't. They're scared. Come on, go up, babies. Smokey trying to get the birds. Come on. Go up. Come on. They scared. Go up. Yeah. You guys got to fly up. You guys got to, oh, birdies, fly up, baby. Use your wings. Use your wings. Don't be scared. Go up. Come on. Fly up. Look how they looking. Go up, guys. Fly up, babies. They don't like me hitting the window. I'm trying to get them to look up, though. Can they not fly yet, you think? You think they can't fly yet? Can you use your wings? Come on, babies. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. I don't want those birdies to... Come on, guys. Come on, guys. I don't want no birds to pass away in my windows. Come on, guys. Come on. You have to use your wings, guys. Lord, please talk to them. Use your wings, Birdie. Birdie, use your wings. You have to fly up. Huh? You need air? I'm so sorry, guys. I just don't know what to do. I really don't. I am so, this is about to make me so sad. My cat wants them so bad. Like, she wants them so bad. Like, you can't have them, Smokey. We got to get the birdies out, okay? How do y'all want to get, how can we get y'all out? Huh? We got to get you guys out. Come on, guys. Come on. I don't really know what to do, guys.